Hi friends, today we will discuss a very important nutrient. These are micronutrients. There are two types of micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. These vitamins are of various types. These are organic substances and can be broken down. These help to build protein and multiplication of cells, build collagen and help in healing wounds. There are various types of vitamins which perform varieties of functions for different body parts and organ systems. For example, vitamin A helps in red blood cell formation, reproduction, skin and bone formation, vision, and it is available amply in carrot, egg, pumpkin, red pepper, sweet potatoes. So no need to buy repeatedly vitamin A tablets. It's available in our daily foods which we eat. Take care to eat carrot, egg, pumpkin, red pepper. Similarly, vitamin B6, it helps in nervous system function, immune function, red blood cell formation, found in chickpeas, citrus fruits, potato, salmon. Vitamin B12 helps in nervous system function, red blood cell formation, and found in meat, poultry, dairy products. Similarly, vitamin C, antioxidant, collagen, immune function, wound healing, and it's available in lemon, orange, grapes, kiwi, the citrus fruits, strawberries, broccoli, tomato, which are easily available, and we normally eat those fruits. Vitamin D, it helps in bone growth, blood pressure formation, blood pressure regulation. It controls blood pressure, hormone production. Blood pressure, for someone it may be low, for someone it may be high. So vitamin D helps. Hormone production found in egg, fish, mushroom, sunlight. That's why it is told that go to the sea beach, have some sunlight there. Vitamin E, formation of blood vessels, antioxidants, boost immunity, available with green vegetables like spinach, nuts and seeds, vegetable oils. Vitamin K helps in blood clotting, making bone strong, found in green veggies. So take more leafy green vegetables. For details, see in FDA, US Food and Drug Administration guidelines. You will get a lot of information there. Now minerals. This is last but not the least. This is very important micronutrient, and it helps us in various ways. Varieties of minerals are required for body for various functions. For example, zinc, calcium, chloride, chromium, copper, iodine, iron, magnesium, manganese, molybdenum, phosphorus, potassium, selenium, sodium. Like this, many are there. So we will discuss some important minerals here which are normally required for our body. Say calcium. Calcium contributes in blood clotting, hormone secretion, teeth and hormone formation, muscle formation, and these are available in green vegetables, dairy products, tofu. Similarly, chloride helps in digestion, fluid balance, nervous system function, and are available in seaweeds, tomato, lettuce. Chromium helps in insulin function, protein, carbohydrate and fat metabolism, and available in broccoli, banana, apple, grape, orange, turkey. Copper, antioxidant, bone and collagen formation. Available in lentils, nuts, seeds, grains. Iodine is very helpful in metabolism, growth, reproduction, thyroid hormone production, and it is available in iodized salt, potato, seaweed, turkey. Similarly, iron helps in red blood cell formation, wound healing, and it is available in beans, eggs, fruits, nuts, peas, seeds, soy products. So we should eat these foods suitably in good quantity, keeping in mind that this type of foods are replacement for medicines. We need not to take medicines always. These foods are medicines. These foods help us more than medicines in our day-to-day life. So have this type of foods for intake of vitamins and minerals and stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.